Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca and I do makeup. In this video I'm going to show you how to do this soft bridal, maybe prom type of a look. I am going to be using a bunch of Sigma products that I received recently. If you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. I have my moisturizer on, I have my sunscreen on, which means I am ready to go with foundation. The first product that I want to show you is the 3D HD Perfect Complexion set by Sigma Beauty. The set has this lovely pouch right here. It's perfect for traveling, for putting a few brushes here. It also has this 3D HD face brush. Angled here, it's perfect for getting into all the spots of the face. I also like it for blending the contour. Also this 3D HD blending sponge. It's really useful because I use this side for foundation and concealer to blend stuff on my face. You can use this side for baking under the eyes and also shaping the nose. I will show you a little bit later, something like this. You can use this edge right here to bake here under your contour. It's really useful for that. Okay, I'm going to start with the foundation, and today I'm going to use the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation in the shade 40 NN. I just love this thing. As you can see, it's almost empty. It's one of my favorite foundations. It's medium coverage, natural finish. I usually apply like a pump and a half maybe. And dab it on my face. And I'm going to blend it in using this 3D HD face brush. I don't know, with this brush I kind of like swiping, like tap and swipe, something like this. For concealer, I'm going to use the same Stay Naked concealer by Urban Decay. I'm going to concentrate the concealer mainly here where my blue spots are. And I'm going to blend it in using the 3D HD sponge by Sigma Beauty. To brighten things up and also to contour, I'm going to use these Shadesticks by Juvias. One is in the shade Lima for highlighting and one is in the shade Mauritania for contouring. I'm going to start with the lighter one first and apply a little bit here under my eyes, on the tip of my nose and also on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on the forehead and chin. And the darker shade I'm going to use here for contouring. A little bit of nose contouring as well. And lip contouring. And also forehead. I'm going to blend this in using the same brush that I use for applying the foundation. I'm going to start with the lighter parts first so I don't drag the contour all over my face because I'm going to use the same brush. Taking the sponge so it doesn't look this harsh. And now I'm going to set my face using some translucent powder, but first I'm going to make sure there are no creases under my eyes. And I'm going to take a little bit of powder on this side of the sponge and apply powder starting here from the sides of the nose. And do a little bit of baking. And I will use the other side of the sponge to apply powder on the other side of my face. And I will also bake under my contour to kind of clean it up a little bit. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use this F10 powder blush brush by Sigma. And I'm going to use it for blush as well later. I'm going to take a little bit of powder. And then lightly go over my contour. For blush today, I'm going to use this Sigma Blush Cheek Palette. It has this lovely packaging, and inside you have like 6 shades of blushes, also contour powders. I like mixing the shade Mauve here. It's too dark for me, but I mix it with the shade Pet Name here, the first one. And I'm going to use the same F10 blush brush. Dust off the excess and apply it on my cheeks. I kind of want to intensify the contour a little bit, and I'm going to take the shade Spiced mixed with Tiger Lily, and I'm going to take them on a Morphe M405. And again, tap off the excess and go under my blush. And again on the forehead, on my temples. To highlight my face, I'm going to use this Sigma Chroma Glow Highlighting palette, and I'm going to use a F03 High Cheekbone Highlighter brush. I am mixing these Ambrosia and Peaceful shades to create kind of a pink tone highlighter. Dust off the excess and apply. This is a really pretty shade. And now I'm going to take a small detailed brush. This one is from Morphe, and I'm going to use the same 2 shades to highlight the tip of my nose and my cupid's bow. I'm going to quickly do my brows off camera and then I'll come back. Brows are on, and also I prime my eyelids using some concealer. And now I want to apply my transition shade on the eyes, and I actually want to use the same blush palette that I use, and I want to use the shade Pinking here. And I'm going to apply it on a Sigma E25 blending brush. This blending brush is amazing. It's kind of flat on the side and fluffy on the other side. It's really good for blending. I'm going to take a little bit of mauve as well. Hey, this looks kind of cute. Now that the transition is on, I'm going to use the Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 palette. And I think I'm going to take the shade Russet here. I'm going to take it on a Morphe M507 brush. I'm going to concentrate this mainly in the outer corner and also blending it into the crease, lower than the transition shade. I want to do like a soft cut crease, so this has to be really well blended. I'm going to use it on the lower lash line as well. And then I'm going to take my blending brush again and just blend the edges. Next up, I'm going to cut the crease using some concealer and a flat Morphe concealer brush. I usually go above my natural crease so it doesn't transfer during the day. And now I'm going to set it in place using the shade Humble. The brush I'm using is a Morphe M124. And I'm going to blend the edges here without adding any additional product. I'm going to add a wing liner to this look, and I'm going to use the Sigma Wicked Gel Liner. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes. I'm going to use this YSL Mascara F Fossil, just a tiny amount. Okay, lashes are on. For the lips, I'm going to apply these two shades by Sigma. The lighter shade is called Behold and the darker shade is called Awaken. And since I'm not going to use a lip liner, I'm going to use this F03 brush by Sigma. It's a lip brush. I'm first going to use the Awaken shade, the darker shade, and the lighter shade I'm going to use in the middle. And as I said, I'm going to apply the lighter shade, the Behold shade, in the middle of my lips. Now I'm going to set my face in place using the Mist and Fix setting spray from Makeup Forever. And this is the finished look. When I started this look, I was thinking to do like a date night type of a look, but I don't know, this kind of turned to be like a bridal, maybe prom suitable look. I feel if you're not that much into glitters, this could be really pretty for prom. And if you like any of the Sigma products that I used in this video, I want to throw my code out there. I have a discount code with Sigma. It's raluca10 and it saves you 10% off your order. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you enjoy this look as much as I do. And yeah, thank you for watching and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!